Do you know how to use SmartArt basic blocks in Microsoft PowerPoint? Firstly, you need PowerPoint slide. You have to go to SmartArt, select Basic Block List and start typing your points like wake up early, set daily goals, and many more points can you type and read and learn and other points. You have a lot of options to select the other blocks in SmartArt. PowerPoint have lot of features and other SmartArt block options. All you need to select is your requirement, like picture caption list or line list or vertical bullet list. If you like this video, please subscribe and like videos.